Hey there, bosses. In this video, I'll show you how to create gift cards that your clients can use for purchasing your products and services. So we'll go to Booking Pages from the top menu, then select Products and Services. Let's now click Add New Service. Then right here, let's select Digital Product. Now let's name this Gift Card. Then you can add your description here. Then for the price, let's say it's a $25 gift card. And we'll select Online for the payment option since it's a digital product. After that, just click Save. Now here at the General Settings page, you can customize it like every other product or service. You can change the button text. For example, we'll put Buy Now. And there's so many more customizations right here. And again, always remember to click Save for all changes to be updated. And that's how you can create gift cards with Book Like a Boss.